today we're diving into some beautiful garden decor ideas that can transform your outdoor space into a peaceful and inviting retreat. Whether you have a large backyard or a small balcony, these tips will help you bring charm, comfort, and personality to your garden. Start by incorporating natural materials like wood, stone, and terracotta. These elements blend beautifully with plants and create a timeless, earthy feel. Don't be afraid to repurpose old items. Vintage chairs, watering cans, and crates can become unique planters or charming display pieces. Next, add pops of color with flowers, outdoor cushions, or painted pots. A touch of vibrant color can bring your garden to life and reflect your personal style. Hanging planters or vertical gardens also add dimension and are great for small spaces. For a cozy evening vibe, lighting is key. String lights, lanterns, or solar garden stakes can create a magical glow. Finally, personalize your garden with small details like garden signs, wind chimes, or dewey craft. If you've ever dreamed of creating a small, peaceful corner in your garden where you can escape, relax, or simply enjoy nature, then today's video is for you. A garden nook doesn't need a lot of space or a big budget, just a little creativity and a sense of calm. In this video, I'll share some beautiful and practical ideas to help you transform even the tiniest outdoor spot into a cozy sanctuary. Start by choosing a quiet corner that naturally feels comfortable. It could be under a tree, next to a wall, or in a space that doesn't get too much foot traffic. The location matters because it sets the tone for how peaceful your nook will feel. Look for a spot that gives you privacy and allows you to unwind without distractions. Seating is the heart of any garden nook. A simple wooden bench, a rattan chair, or even a swing can instantly make the space inviting. Pick something comfortable enough for reading, sipping tea, or enjoying the morning breeze. Adding soft cushions or an outdoor throw blank, it makes the seating feel even more welcoming. Plants bring life, color, and freshness to your nook. Mix tall plants like bamboo or decorative grass with smaller potted herbs or flowers. Layering different heights adds depth and makes the space feel more connected with nature. Choose plants you love. Fragrant ones like jasmine or lavender can make your garden corner smell amazing. Lighting creates magic, especially during evenings. Soft fairy lights, lanterns, or solar-powered lamps add a warm glow and turn your nook into a dreamy nighttime retreat. Even a single hanging bulb in a rustic frame can change the whole ambience and make the area feel intimate and serene. Textures play a big role in decor. Think natural materials, woven baskets, clay pots, jute rugs, wooden crates, or stone elements. These textures blend beautifully with greenery and make the corner look earthy and thoughtfully styled. Add just a few pieces so the nook doesn't feel cluttered. Decorating with small accents can personalize your space. A tiny side table, a vintage watering can, a plant stand, or even handmade decor pieces can make the nook feel like it belongs to you. Keep things minimal but meaningful. Choose items that tell a story or reflect your personality. If you enjoy reading or journaling, add a little shelf or a weatherproof storage box where you can keep your favorite books or garden tools. This makes the space functional and helps you truly use your nook as a lifestyle spot, not just decoration. Don't forget sound. Even gentle elements like wind chimes, a mini fountain, or rustling plant leaves can add a calming effect. Nature-inspired sounds make the nook feel like a small retreat, far from the noise of daily life. It's these little details that make your space feel alive and soothing. Finally, make your garden nook a place you look forward to visiting every day. Whether it's your morning meditation spot, a place to enjoy sunset tea, or a corner to refresh your mind, treat it as your personal sanctuary. With just a few intentional touches, you can turn any outdoor corner into a beautiful oasis where peace and creativity come naturally. Enhancing the outdoor space with thoughtful garden decoration can significantly elevate the overall look and feel of a house. From vibrant flower beds to charming pathway lighting, every element contributes to creating a welcoming and visually captivating outdoor environment. Incorporating features such as cozy seating areas and decorative planters adds personality and charm to the landscape. Let's talk about something important. You don't need to spend much to have a beautiful home. It's all about finding pieces that resonate with you and arranging them in a way that feels authentic and welcoming. Whether you're thrifting for unique finds, DIYing your own decor, or repurposing items you already own, there are endless possibilities for creating a stylish and personalized space on a budget. So don't be afraid to get creative and think outside the box. With a little imagination and resourcefulness, you can transform any space into a place that feels like home.